So there's a lot of talk about AI, even locally, there's these data centers that are popping up. Is there any use for any service related industry or business with AI taking over?
I mean, I think about the electric bill. I mean, it keeps going up and up and up. But if you're buying real estate, you want to make sure that you pick correctly, and one of these experts are going to help you. What I hear about AI a lot that is confusing to, I think, most of the consumers is we don't really know where it's all going to go, but there's not a magic wand in the sense that you use AI and it solves all your problems. I find that as a real estate expert, and what we find even more importantly now is with all this information dump for the consumers to absorb, I think it's super important to understand that it's a computer. You know, the computers haven't been in your home. The computers don't really have heart and soul. They don't really understand the things that we do in the sense of how to position you correctly in the marketplace. So when they pull data, they're pulling it from third-party aggregation sites. And so it's only as good as the information they can pull. So what we try to do is we take a look with our eyes and our experience, and we help position you correctly to leverage the market. And so that's what AI cannot do. And so as you move forward with trying to figure this out as we ebb and flow with this changing market, you want to make sure you deal with the professionals. So Dom, how would we reach you?
Yeah, you can call or text me or AIS at 330-234-6204.
And how do they text or AIU?
Yep, 330-933-3258.
And if you're interested, you can AI Dominic Fontaine Associates, see how we stack up in the industry or the area that you're interested in. And you can call or text me anytime at 330-418-1535. Or if you want to see our more than 575 five-star reviews that actually have real people that do it, not AI, and you want to see what you're going to experience working with our group, you should read some of them and see what people are saying and why you want to work with a real knowledgeable expert in the industry. Take care.